Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Ajit plans the robbery from the movie Mankatha.
Yes. So basically, it is a robbery scene. I think
Yes.
he will be planning for robbery. So we got a lot of requests to do this, particularly this scene.
Yes.
So here it is for you guys, and I really hope that you like today's content. It is.
Yes.
It was looking very.
I think a lot of strategy will be there.
Strategical.
Lot of, different type of concept of planning will be there. So I
Yes,
think
yes.
it will be a good concept. I think so.
Yes, and by the seeing the thumbnail also, it was looking that Ajit sir was looking very strategical and aggressive. We can say okay,
Yes.
kind of like cunning also at the same time. So it will be interesting
Yes.
as we are suspecting. So yes, let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo jhat se let's get started.
Okay. Here comes Ajit sir. So we don't have any subtitle
Only
here.
subtitle. So we just have to guess.
Yeah.
It's raining heavily, by the way. If you are hearing any sounds.
என்னன்னா வந்ததுலேருந்து பயங்கர காமெடி பண்ணுறீங்க.
நான் சந்தானமா
இல்லை வினய், நான் டியூட்டிக்கு போயிட்டு இருந்தேன்.
அண்ணே அண்ணன் நீங்களும் சேர்த்துட்டீங்களா? இல்லை குடிக்க சேர்த்துட்டீங்களான்னு கேட்டேன்.
Wow.
All of his team only.
எனக்கு தெரியும் நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் கொள்ளடி தான் போகிறீங்க.
வினய், சத்தியமாக நீங்கள் என்ன சொல்கிறீங்கன்னு எனக்கு புரியல.
நல்லா நடிக்க கற்றுக்கிட்டீங்க சார். குட். எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். நீங்கள் எல்லாம் போட்ட பிளான். இப்போ எங்கே போகிறீங்க, உங்களுக்குள்ளே என்ன ஷேர், ஐ நோ இட் ஆல்.
அண்ணே என்னண்ணே லேட் ஆச்சுண்ணே, வண்டியில் சரக்குலாம் இருப்பா இருக்கணுண்ணே.
இப்போ அந்த வண்டிக்குள்ளே சரக்கு இல்லைங்கிறது கூட எனக்கு தெரியும்.
நீங்கள் என்ன பேசுகிறீங்களே புரியல.
தெரியும்டா.
Got angry too much.
பிரியன் என்கிட்ட எல்லாத்தையும் சொல்லிட்டான்.
சத்தியமா சத்தியமா நான் எதுவுமே சொல்ல. ஐயோ
पड़ती है शायद.
நீங்கள் எல்லாரும் நினைக்கிற மாதிரி இப்போ அந்த பணம் அந்த தியேட்டருக்கு போகல.
ஐயோ, அப்போ பணம் தேட்டர் போலையா?
எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்னு பார்க்குறீங்களா? நானும் பணத்துக்காகத்தான் சஞ்சனாகிட்டையும் அவங்க அப்பாக்கிட்டையும் ஃப்ரெண்டாக.
आजकल पुलिस का प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा हो रहा है. हाँ जी, मुझे भी पता है. थिएटर का पैसा मत देंगे. जैसे हमने पहले बात की थी, वैसे पैसा बदल लेंगे.
हिंदी.
उसकी गारंटी मैं लेगा. आप फिक्र मत करिए.
தியேட்டருக்கு பணம் வருதுங்கிற விஷயம் போலீஸை தசத்திற்கு செய்ய ட்ராமா. தியேட்டரை சுற்றி போலீஸ் இருக்குங்கிற இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்
Okay, some theaters money.
இன்னும் உங்களுக்கு எவன நம்பிக்கை இல்லைனா
That is totally illegal itself.
டீ கடையில் பாருங்க, தியேட்டர் வாசல், ஓவர் பிரிட்ஜ்.
स्पेशल स्क्वाड है.
This kind of movie I think I have seen in Hindi.
Okay. Maybe there will
I
be
can
some
recall.
remake also.
ஒன்று அஞ்சு அப்படிங்கிறது சார்.
In Hindi only.
In Hindi I'm telling
There
yes.
might be some remake,
Some
in
remake.
Hindi.
சொல்லுங்க.
சரிண்ணா, இப்போ நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்?
நாளைக்கு மத்தியானம் தான் பணம்
Okay.
வண்டி வரும்.
Strategy is final
அதுக்கு
now.
பாதுகாப்பாக இன்னொரு வண்டி வரும். பிரேம், நீ என்ன பண்ணுற?
He's the hacker. Great. He is now hacking. Connecting the IP address, access granted.
சூப்பர். கணேஷ் நான் ஒன்று கொடுத்துட்டேன். இனிமேல் என் கண்ட்ரோல் தான்.
Okay, he has hacked the signals.
Means the VPN.
No, signal, traffic signal.
Traffic signal.
Red light.
अच्छा, okay. Oh, अच्छा. Oh, so that they can get time to reach there. Okay.
So
ಮಂಗಾತಾನ
whenever he wants, it will be red
It
light.
will be red
Whenever
light
he
and
wants, it will be green.
understood. Yeah.
சரிதானே?
Okay.
ரெண்டு மணி பிடிச்சிடலாம் பிரச்சனை இல்லை நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன்
In every this kind of team, no one technical guy would be there. It is for for sure.
For advance robbery, you need any
You need.
technical guy.
Correct.
அங்கத்தை சிக்னல் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறேன் ரெடியா
நான் பிறந்ததுலேருந்தே ரெடிடா. ஏய் எங்கப்பா செக்யூரிட்டி காணோம்? டேய் 2 வண்டியும் பிரிச்சாச்சு.
Oh, super!
Wow.
My goodness, is this real one?
Real only.
Seems like that only. Is that Ajit sir doing?
Not sure.
He is Ajit sir only.
मतलब
Actually.
एक्चुअल में अजित सर ही है शायद. But people are telling no, he is very much fond of stunts and all. Wow.
My goodness, super! Love this one.
By the way, never try that. Okay.
Yes.
This is movie only. Wow. Wow, the scene was so real.
What is the timing?
My goodness. Superbly executed, must say.
Vinay, we are set.
நான் பிடிச்ச வண்டியா இருக்கு வண்டி எங்கே நிறுத்த வேணாம் நம்ம பாட்டுக்கு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம்
Wow.
I love this kind of bike ride.
Yes. In Bangalore road also sometimes we see, right?
Yes.
People are doing like that. Oh my god.
இப்போ உங்களுக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணி பாரு.
அதான் ரீச் ஆகலையே
Helmet gone. So much risky, my goodness.
ஏய் சுமன்
My god.
Too much talking.
It is happening for real, or I think it is happening in real only.
Execution is super.
I can't believe it.
Wow. This camera angle and focus.
महक ये रेडी आ
माथा वहाँ पे लग जाएगा तो बाप रे.
Too much dangerous.
ए पुलिस पेपर लेट हुई रोको रोको गाड़ी रोको चलो चलो आपका पेपर दिखाओ करेक्टா தான் இருக்கு சார் வரேன் சார்
I didn't understand the context of this.
They have taken out the trolley outside. In place of that, there is another vehicle.
Oh, okay.
They have replaced it.
अच्छा,
That
oh,
trolley.
okay. Now I got it.
मैं बात कर
सब कुछ कितना प्लान माफिक हो रहा है ना.
Planning is super.
Okay, I got it now.
Oh,
Very nice, yaar.
ஓகே ஓகே சீக்கிரம்
The storyline is also superb.
வந்தாச்சா
robbery done.
Robbery done. Oh yeah.
Yes.
வாடா புடி புடி
Why you know so much money? Seriously.
ச்சே
They are soft now.
மிரட்டிட்டீங்க போங்க செம்ம பிளானு தப்பு ஆனா நம்ம
தேங்க்ஸ்.
என்னமா
That was super planning.
Super planning. Yeah.
Yes.
எனக்கு அல்லு விட்டுருச்சு 19 20 23 ஹேய் என்னடா பண்ற கரெக்டா இருக்கா நீ பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் டேய் எங்கடா பிடிச்ச என்ன அவனால பிடிக்க முடியாது ஆர்டர் கொடுத்து தான் செய்யணும் அப்படி செஞ்சாலும் மேனுஃபேக்சர் டிஃபெக்ட் தான் அது
வெல் பாய்ஸ், அடுத்தது
பணம் இங்கே இருக்கட்டும் இப்போ பிரிக்க வேண்டாம் ஏன் காசு இங்கே இருக்கிறதா சேஃபு பெரிய பெரிய பிரச்சனை போயிட்டு இப்போ டாலர்ஸை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணால் கண்டிப்பாக மாட்டிக்குவோம் 2-3 days எல்லாம் முடியட்டும் அது வரைக்கும் அவங்க அங்கே வேலையை போய் பார்ப்போம் ஐயா இதுக்கெல்லாம் நான் ஒத்துக்க மாட்டேன் என் பங்கு எனக்கு கொடுத்துரு நான் கிளம்புறேன் டேய் அவன் சொல்கிறது தான் கரெக்டு என் சைடில் ப்ரெஷர் பெருசாக போயிட்டு தெரியுமா பெருசு ஃபோன் மேலே ஃபோனு 12 மிஸ்டு கால் நானே எங்கே இருக்கேன் என்ன பண்ணுறேன் நீங்களும் யோசிச்சு தான் சொல்லணும்
2-3 நாள்னு சொல்கிறீங்க, அதுக்குள்ளே நம்மள யாராவது நீ அவன் ஏன் நானும் கூட இருக்கலாம்.
What conversation they are having?
Don't know.
I don't understand anything. I'm so sorry, but
Yes.
we cannot guess also.
Okay. They're trying something.
Oh, they have to get out of this place. They are
No,
trying.
they are already in their place only.
Okay.
They are doing something. Don't know. Okay. They have shut down this whole place where they have kept this money. Okay. Full security system. If anybody try to open also, they will get alert. Everybody will get alert.
Okay.
So nobody is, any single person can store this money.
இந்த மூளைக்கு தான் உனக்கு காசு இல்லைன்னா இந்த ஆட்டத்துக்கு உன்னையா சேர்த்துக்கிறாங்க ஏய் என்ன சொன்னாலும் சரிடா இனிமே நாம தான் கோடீஸ்வரனுங்கடா
That's great, yeah. Super.
டேய் ஜானி
Very nice.
Okay.
Okay,
yeah,
the
so
full plan was like full proof plan, and also the execution of each and every scenes were like brilliantly done.
Yes.
I really like the scene where under the truck. Ajit
that
sir
was the
like
second
doing-
scene, but before that,
before
that
that bike
stunts.
wala, ye two scenes were like outstanding. I think
And bike stunt, whatever they have
those are
taken,
real only.
the speed, I think whatever we were able to hear that
Yeah.
speed sound, I think that was the real sound.
Real sound,
And
yes.
the
Yeah.
bike itself was moving at that speed. I
That
think so.
speed and on that
Yes.
one wheel only. It is unbelievable. The scene was like superb.
Is that a
and
real stunt? I'm not sure.
real stunt only because
Maybe.
a lot of our friends only
Okay,
have
our
told.
friends will tell us that. Is that
They have
real
already
scene or
told
not?
that Mankatha, please do the robbery scene. The scenes were like he is a real stunt man.
If that is
So he
real,
has done
we
in
will
real.
be surprised to see that. Yes.
Now only I
We
am
are stunned,
surprised
stunned
and
with that
stunned.
scene,
Okay,
yes.
and like how people can do that. Like
A lot of
he is
people
a
have
legend,
it, yes, a legend.
right?
That's
Whoever
really
have
tough.
like Ajit sir have done this, so he is a legend
Yes.
for us because this is very difficult. And please do not do that
Yes.
in your
Try
home
yourself.
or yourself. Do not do that because they are doing it under a lot of
Precautions they are taking,
precautions and
a lot
everything.
of the people
Technicality are there.
Team will be
Yeah,
there. Yes.
so that's why. But yes, let's talk about the
Second
other
part,
scene,
other
second
scene,
scene.
where he was beneath that
Just,
truck and doing
wow.
his work.
That was also, it was looking very real. I am very sure that it was, the truck was moving and Ajit sir just under the truck only, like it was moving truck
it was
and
seeming like
it was looking very original. I would like to see the making of that scene if this is there. So probably we will do that.
We'll get that. Yes.
So if you have any better link, you can definitely give, and we just would love to see that scene.
That scene.
How they have executed, like it is brilliant, man. It is.
It was brilliant, and also the
wonderful.
camera angle from a distance, it's coming to inside the truck. It was brilliantly
executed. So the superb cameraman, cinematographer, you have done a
is also
brilliant
great.
job.
At this
Direction. Which not like everything is like done superbly, so that is why the movie is super hit. Manpatha is a super hit movie,
and only one concept we missed, that somewhere the planning was whatever they were doing, it was totally in Tamil language, we didn't had any subtitles also in this scene, so that concept we missed, but overall whatever the scene it was there, we
understood
were able to correlate a lot of the things.
We understood. People also can understand that we have understood each and everything. Even in the last scene also, what conversation they were having, we didn't understand that, but at the end we understood that they have security system they have enabled, so that we understood. I really wish that some subtitles should be there so that we can understood, but is it there available in Prime or anywhere?
I don't know. We got this only particularly from AP International.
So if you have any link, you can definitely share. We would love to see that in Hindi version or subtitle. Okay, so it is a brilliant movie. Okay, superb. Ajit sir, you rocked it. You nailed it. So
he's a stuntman also.
Stuntman only,
I think he performs action scenes or sequences very well. Yes.
Very well. Yes. He is very trained, and by this scene only we can understand that he has done a lot of practice and training and whatnot to execute the whole scene successfully. So this is the true significance of a legend, or
a true actor, you can say.
Correct. So we enjoyed the scene like anything, and thank you to each and everyone whoever have suggested to give the reaction on this scene. Now we can understand like why people keep on telling that give reviews.
I think this will be one of the best scene of
Ajit sir. Yes, definitely we enjoyed it like anything. It is a 10 on 10 from our side.
10 on 10.
Okay, so I really hope that you will also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Timmappa Naik, and he is telling that please react KGF Kannada movie. Yes, we have our plan to react each and every scene, also trailer also on this KGF movie, and of course this is one of the iconic movie from Kannada. Yes.
So we'll be doing firstly the KGF trailer. After that we can do the movie scenes reaction.
Yes, a lot of
we have seen that movie,
in this week only. Lot of the best scenes are there in that movie.
Yeah, in this week only you are getting to see that for sure. So thank you so much for watching and for commenting on our videos.
Yes.
So the second comment for today's video is from Vipin Nair, and he is commenting on reaction on Jilla movie trailer. So he is commenting, respect the star Padma Bhushan Mohanlal sir. He is the senior in film industry and the complete star pride of Indian cinema while taking the name. 42 years of experience, Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
Yes,
so yes,
we know, and we have our full respect
for him.
Yes.
So yes, sometimes we tell Mohanlal, Vijay, that doesn't mean that we are not giving respect. So we are actually in the field, in the IT sector, where we call everyone, every single one, the CEO or 60 years old guy also by their name. Yes. So this is the culture we are following for several years now. So that is why sometimes we miss that.
We have, right?
But I'm so sorry if we did that, but we didn't mean to disrespect anyone, because I know that Mohanlal sir is a genius and he is Padma Bhushan, man.
And with our reaction also you will be able to know that how much respectfully we are
every time. So yes, he is a fabulous actor, and he is 42 years of experience, man. So we are superbly proud of him. So thank you so much Vipin Nair for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Ronald Dhaban, and he is commenting on Talapati Vijay based dance steps reaction. He is commenting, although some of his movies didn't perform well, but his songs all are super hit with awesome dance performances. Even an ordinary song, he would make it awesome visually. Yes. That is Vijay Anna. Yes.
We know that. And his dance and his performance is really great. And also while dancing also, his expression is superb.
Sometimes he is better than Prabhudeva sir. I told that several times and people took it in a negative way, but that's what we actually thought, because how well performer he is, how well dancer he is that we couldn't see Prabhudeva sir's steps sometimes, right? He is the master. Prabhudeva sir is the master. He will always be master. But sometimes like his steps were like so perfect
so
that
perfect.
we are like, oh my God, he is doing better than him, I think.
Exactly.
So,
That's only the practice, and whatever the
and
habit
yes,
he is having from
he is a
beginning.
very flexible body also, and that steps वो नीचे होके
Right.
पैर उठा के that step I think nobody can do that. Okay, he is the genius man in the respective of acting, dance, singing, whatnot. So we are superbly proud of him also. And yes, thank you so much Ronald for commenting and for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.